Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious chicken ziti. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of ziti pasta and 2 cups of cooked chicken, shredded or diced. For the sauce, have 24 ounces of your favorite marinara and 8 ounces of softened cream cheese ready. Don't forget 1 cup of shredded mozzarella and 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese for that perfect cheesy topping. Having everything prepped makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's get cooking. Start by boiling your ziti pasta according to the package instructions until it's perfectly al dente. While the pasta cooks, grab a large mixing bowl. Add your 2 cups of cooked chicken and the 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. Mix these together until they are well combined. Then, pour in the 24 ounces of marinara sauce, stirring until all ingredients are evenly distributed and coated. This creates a rich and creamy base. With your sauce and chicken mixture ready, it's time to bring it all together. Drain your cooked ziti thoroughly and add it directly into the large bowl with the chicken and sauce. Gently toss everything until the pasta is fully coated. Next, transfer this delicious mixture into a 9x 13-inch baking dish, spreading it out evenly. Finally, sprinkle the 1 cup of shredded mozzarella and 1/4 cup of Parmesan cheese generously over the top. This will create a golden, bubbly crust. Almost there, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place your assembled chicken ziti into the preheated oven and bake for approximately 25 minutes, or until the cheese is melted, bubbly, and slightly golden brown. Once baked, remove it from the oven and let it rest for about 5 minutes before serving. This resting period allows the flavors to meld and the dish to set perfectly. You're going to love this comforting meal. Also, check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.